Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install IntelliJ IDEA IDE on your Ubuntu operating system, and I'm also going to show you how you can create your first Java project in IntelliJ IDEA IDE. So first of all, before installing IntelliJ IDEA, you need to have Oracle Java installed in Ubuntu, because IntelliJ IDEA IDE requires Oracle Java installation on your Ubuntu operating system. So first of all, if you don't have Oracle Java installed on your system, you can use these three commands to install Oracle Java. I'm going to post these three commands in the description so that you can run these commands and you will be good to go. Now, once you have Oracle Java in your Ubuntu operating system, you can now download this IntelliJ IDEA IDE by searching for jetbrains.com, and in the result you will be able to see IntelliJ IDEA. You can click this link, and in here you can go to get IntelliJ IDEA now, and make sure Linux is selected here. And IntelliJ IDEA comes in two versions or two editions. One is Ultimate and one is Community. Ultimate is more advanced, and you can use this commercially to develop commercial project in Java and other languages. And other one is Community edition, which is free and open source, and you can use this for learning purposes. So I'm going to download this, and once you click this download button, you will be able to see this save window. So you can just click OK and save it. Once you have already saved this zip file, you will be able to see this IDEA IC zip file here. Now you can right click and extract this folder, and once this folder is extracted, you will be able to run this IntelliJ IDEA by going inside this folder. So this folder is extracted. I'm going to go inside this, and inside this you will be able to see these folders, and the folder which we require is bin, and in here we will be able to see a script called idea.sh. okay, so we need to run this shell script using terminal in order to install IntelliJ IDEA. So what we are going to do is, I'm going to open my terminal and I'm going to go to this download directory, and then IDEA, and inside this I'm going to go to bin folder, and I can see idea.sh file is here. So I can run this by / and then idea.sh. okay, so give this command and press enter, and it's going to run this IDE installation. And for the first time it's going to ask you, do you have the previous version of IntelliJ IDEA? I don't have it, so I will leave it as default and click OK. And now it will ask which theme you want. So but the default one is IntelliJ, which has this white background and this theme. You will be able to see this here. Darkula has this dark theme, and GTK has some other theme. So by default it's IntelliJ, and if you want dark theme then you can choose Darkula, but for now I'm going to choose IntelliJ theme here, and then I will click next, and it's saying me create a desktop entry for integration with system application menu. I'm going to click next, and now I will just start using IntelliJ IDEA by clicking this button. You can use these extra plugin in order to use IDEA Vim, which is the integration for Vim editor or Scala language, but I'm not going to use them for now, so I'm just going to click start using IntelliJ, and I'm going to minimize this terminal. And now you can create your first project. So just click create a new project, click create new project, and it's going to give us this kind of window. So you just need to choose this Java from here, and in here you can choose the SDK. Okay, so for choosing your SDK, what you need to do is you just need to click this new here and just select JDK. Okay, so in here you just need to choose this Java 8 Oracle. So for me it's in user/lib/jvm/java -8 -oracle. Okay, so just go to this Java -8 -oracle and click OK, and it's going to set up this path for you. And now you can just select this and just click next, and in here create project from template. We don't have any, so we are going to click next and give the name to your project, for example my first, and click finish. And now my project is created. I'm just going to click close, and I can see this project here, my first. You just need to click here on my first or whatever your project name is, and it's going to open all these files. We are interested in source folder because we are going to create our Java file inside this source. Okay, so what we can do is we can right click to this source folder, and we can just create a package, for example for Java file. So for example my package name, and inside this package we can create a new Java class. So new Java class, and give the name to your Java class, for example my class, and click OK, and it's going to create a new Java class for us in a file called myclass.java. Okay, so this is the bare bone class for us, and inside this we can write the code. So inside this class we are going to create our main method. So let's use a very nice shortcut. Just write PSVM here and give a tab, and it's going to create a method for you, main method for you, right? So inside this main method what I'm going to do is I'm going to print something. So I will just write s out tab, and it's going to give me this code system.out.println, and inside this argument brackets we can just write hello world. Okay, and now we can run our program by going to build, and we can make our program by clicking make module my first or make project, anything you can choose. And now you can run your program by going to this run tab and click this run option here, and you can choose your class name, my class, and it's printing hello world here. Now after building and running your program for the first time, you will be able to see this green button here. So whenever you edit your program, for example, I will just print hello world YouTube, for example. I edited this message, and I can just click this run button, so I can see this message, hello world YouTube. So in this way you can download and install IntelliJ IDEA on your Ubuntu operating system and create your first project inside IntelliJ IDEA.